What's up, YouTube? We're at Walmart right now. Trying to find. I didn't know there was a lady back there. I come around the corner, she looks up. Anyways, supposedly it's supposed to have a winter ice storm. I'm trying to see what those are. Oh, they're freaking gardening shit. I thought it was Christmas stuff. But yeah, apparently we're supposed to have a nice winter storm. But yeah, I'm trying to get some shit for it. And yeah. So we're here at Walmart. Down this aisle. Get past these people. They're playing with toys. So I need a fan. Okay, where the hell are the fans at around here? We replaced it with BB guns. Alright, let me turn this baby around. I don't know how you could do it. Pause this and turn it on the phone. Look what you did. Jesus, that thing's $297. Maybe something treat. That right there. Replacement filter. Just kidding. Clean air delivery rate, 3 speeds, medium room up to 86 square feet. Nice. These fuckers are expensive. $229. Captures up to 99.97% of microscopic airborne allergens and particles. Wow. Look at Holmes one. There. $98. Some more up there. Here. Mold spores, dust, smoke, and pet dander. I prefer no filters to replace. This will do. Filter. I like that. That's what we got. I broke it. Oh well. Anyways, 118 bucks. That one you gotta replace the filter, so fuck that. This one you don't have to. Spend $20-$30 more. Just save money. The fishing aisle. Bye. 6 cents. Fishing hooks. And they don't have a price on them. Oh, never mind. $4.63. Damn, they went down in price. fishing sticks. Something of my favorite ones. Zoom it out so you can see it a lot better. Oh, no way. Look at that. That's a clean looking freaking pole. $39. Hell yeah. Ooh, I see my reel over here that I bought and my brother freaking lost in the ocean. Fucker. It's alright. I think it's like $70. Oh no. That's similar to, I can't remember what that one looked like, honestly. It's $40. Wow. Look at these freaking spinning rods, loose. I bet you those are awesome. But that was a damn good reel right there. For the money. I think it might be the same one. I'm not really sure. Oh, look at these. Look at Shakespeare. One's a little more expensive. That's a spinning reel though, but that Black Max I have. It's absolutely awesome. Xfinity, $68. I don't know. I have an extra pull. I might throw that on. But I don't see my Senkos. They're by Zoom. Let's see. They're a pumpkin chart. The chartreuse tail. I got enough of them, but always end up breaking them off. So. Oh no, these look a little sauce. 7.5 inch culprit worm. I have those actually. I don't need any more of those. It kind of looks like this. More old chartreuse. But they're Senko. I do not see. Oh, they're there. 2-pack. Let's go. Wait, do they get the? They got a bandit bait that is called Mistake, and apparently it's very, very good. I bought 2 of them just in case. So you always want to buy 1 or 2, or you want to at least buy 1, but 2 or 3. You never know, you're gonna snap off on them. I need to start using more of these spoon and spinner set. Smallmouth, I actually love those. I'm gonna have to try it. You guys want to see a Walmart budget challenge of whatever pricing? Not really whatever pricing. It had to be good and exact. You can do it. Yeah, you could either be full combo, like any of those up there. Squeaky shoes. Ooh, those look good too. Holy shit. Monster 10.5 inch plum apple. Look at those. Oh my god. They're only $3.77. Wow. Man, somebody got into them already. Fucking things up and right. I usually see them off. We can't break into them and do it. But yeah. Hey, lady keeps looking at me. Oh, catfishing. This stuff stinks, but it's amazing. So yeah, got a fan. And got a dam. Some more Senkos. Those are my all-time favorite. Even when the fishing was slow, you throw one of those on there, wacky rig. You could do Texas rig too, but wacky rig, they were slaying. I think I have that video uploaded. Maybe I don't. I don't think. I have to check if I have that video uploaded or not. I think it's almost done, if anything, but slaying those. So. Okay. Here's some sunglasses. Alright, let's go get some food. So, we'll be back with part 3. Look at my uncle. Look at my uncle. There you go. Right here. A big old bag. What? That's good. Popcorn. Alright. Salsa. Get some of those. Need to get. I don't think the power will go out, but if it does, it's, look, recording. This aisle smells fabulous. What is that? Oh, it's one of those dryer balls. That's cool. It's supposed to go like get extra hair and shit. It is packed through.
There's only one side.
Some wiener dogs. Some wiener dogs. To eat those cold. My imitation crab over here. I saw a video on that on TikTok and I was like, oh, it looks so good. I have to get some. Oopsie. They got miniature ones? What? That's dope. Yeah. Imitation crab. Yes, sir. I think we actually got meat at home anyway. Yes.
The only thing here is like Sarah Lee.
Holy.
Stuff like that.
Honey wheat, yeah.
Sarah Lee, whole wheat. The only thing here is all.
Yeah. Yeah. Pizza rolls. I want some pizza rolls. What is that? Ultimate chocolate cake. I have a birthday cake one. That's pretty dope. Someone is hungry. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Look at that shit. Just grab anything I can find. That big spark. Heard of that? Perfect gluten. Bacon breakfast bowl. The power's not gonna even work anyways. God dang. Still so many people. We have pumpkin pie. And some meat. Information contains.
Yeah, make some lasagna. Yeah.
Let's see. Frozen. Frozen pizza rolls. Beer. No. Pizza rolls, where are you at? Come on out. Show your damn self. I'm buying the wrong aisle. It's my next one over. This is all burnt to shit. Oh, whoa. Stop. Pizza rolls. Close the door and go out. And that's it for me.
Miro siempre algo que me gusta.
Yeah. Okay, well, one more thing. She said, I think. Time to go check out. Oh, I heard something crack and I was like, oh shit, I'm about to crash into somebody.
Matt, it looks like
Self-checkout, motherfuckers. I'm about to go through anyways, we'll get this stuff checked out. I'll head out, do an unboxing of that, see how that goes. So, be right back here when you're at home. We got big birthday right here. Alright, let's take a look. Why is it so like zoomed in? I hate that. Anyways, so this is what we got. I'm gonna turn around over on this side so I can actually see it. Bionair air purifier. So either I really don't know if this is actually a fan, but just a fucking air purifier. I really don't know. Stop looking at me, dog. But without further ado, let's get it opened up and check it out. I mean, if it is just an air purifier, I mean, I guess that's kind of what I'm using a Karambit attack force, by the way. But I'm saying if that's what that is, just an air purifier, and it's like shit out of luck because I spent $118 on the damn thing. So we got Pure Indoor Living. I mean, I guess it'd be kind of cool though. Pick that up before the dog chews it up. Anyways. Set her down here. It's kind of heavy. Oh my god, it's huge. Get out of the box. You weren't made to be in a box. Get the fuck out. Goddamn foam shit on the bottom of it. Look at that shit. There we go. Holy moly. This thing's huge. Let's unbag it. I'm gonna put all this plastic on it. Just to have, if they even wrap the damn cord. Get that off too, because worthless of bagging, really? There we go. Okay, thank you. Slip that off because the freaking when it was binding it up. But they even zip tied it. Okay, that's done. This one now. Yep, it smells like cancer. That plastic. That's a big filter in the back. If I had to replace these, the filters, I'd pay to do that. Look how big that thing is. It's like 2 feet long. More expensive than PLC. Alright. So, we got it unbagged. Get it turned on. Yeah. Unboxing. Oh my god. Hell yeah. That's a high? Low. Or medium low. Ionizer. I don't know what that means, but UV. Can you see in the dark? Oh, it's dang good. Wish it swiveled. Swivel? No, probably not. Nope, it's stationary. Yeah, it's got the top band, bottom band, something in the middle. Hey, at least we'll get the air moving. Yeah. Yeah. How would you set it off in the distance? Look at that. I can feel that all the way over here. So let's push this back. Probably as far as it's gonna go. Oh yeah. So I can feel it all the way over here. All the way over here. Still over here. Still. Still can feel it. I literally can go all the way to the wall and feel that. That's how much air is pushing out of this thing. Wow. So yeah, you can see that I have it switched around, so it's kind of hard to see. It's got an ionizer. I don't know what that means. UV. I don't know what that means. High, medium, low. So yeah, pretty cool. What? Doing an unboxing. She's getting grief on that. Why do you do that? What the hell? So yeah, Then you push it another time on low, and it'll turn it off. It's pretty dope. Turn it off. Oh god, I can't wait to use that tonight. It's gonna be awesome. Cool. So yeah, that is the Bionaire air purifier. UV light. What the hell? Pre-filter captures larger particles such as dust, bunnies, and pet hair. HEPA filter removes up to 99% allergens and pollutants. UV light proven to help reduce germs, viruses, bacteria, mold, and fungi from the air. 118 bucks, Walmart. Get yourself one. She did the rock up signs. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Like, comment, subscribe. What? What? Huh? Oh my god. Dog shit on the floor. You wanna see it?
No, wait.
Dog shit on the floor. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.